Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of complex numbers. It says if Z1, Z2, Z3 belonging to the set of complex numbers are the vertices of an equilateral triangle whose centroid is Z0, then summation k varying from 1 to 3 zk minus Z0 whole square is equal to. Now students, this question is based on the geometry of complex numbers. And to solve this problem, I will use an important property associated with geometry of complex numbers, and that is if Z1, Z2, Z3 represent the vertices of an equilateral triangle in an arcant plane, then Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square equal to Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1. Now we will use this property to solve this question. Now students, we have to find the value of summation k varying from 1 to 3 zk minus z0 whole square. Now this summation can further be written as z1 minus z0 whole square plus z2 minus z0 whole square plus z3 minus z0 whole square. Now just open up all the brackets by using identity a minus b whole square. So now it becomes z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square plus 3z0 square minus 2 times inside the bracket z1 into z0 plus z2 into z0 plus z3 into z0. Right? Now students, this can further be written as z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square plus 3 into z0 square minus 2 into, I am taking out z0 common, and inside the bracket we will have z1 plus z2 plus z3. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, Z0 is the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are Z1, Z2 and Z3. So I can write Z0 equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole divided upon 3. So from here we get Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 3 into Z0. Now students, square both sides of this equation. So you will get Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole square equal to 9 into Z0 square. Now just apply the identity of A plus B plus C whole square on the left hand side of the equation. So you will get Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square plus 2 times Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1, and this is equal to 9 into Z0 square. Now students, at this stage we will use that property, and the property says if Z1, Z2, Z3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle, then Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1. So that means the left hand side of this equation becomes equal to 3 times inside the bracket Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square, and this is equal to 9 into Z0 square. So from here, finally, we get Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square equal to 3 into Z0 square. Now students, we will use this equation to find the final value of the summation. Now students, we have earlier found that summation k varying from 1 to 3 zk minus z0 whole square is equal to z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square plus 3 into z0 square minus 2 into z0 into z1 plus z2 plus z3. Now students, in place of z1 plus z2 plus z3, just put 3 into z0. So now this summation becomes equal to z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square plus 3 into z0 square minus 6 into z0 square. And this is nothing but z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square minus 3 into z0 square. And we have just now proved that z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square is 3 into z0 square. So that means the value of this summation is equal to 0. So hence option A is the correct one. Now students, next question I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.